Hey guys, I'm Daires of DIYPC. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 things you should know about the miter box and saw. If you're not ready to get into power tools, then the miter box and saw is a great tool for beginners. Stay to the end to see the pros and cons of this tool, so let's get into it. So number 1, the miter box and saw is a budget-friendly hand tool. It's only a fraction of what it costs to purchase a powered miter saw. So what exactly is a miter box? A miter box is a tool that you would use to guide a handsaw when you're making precise cuts. It should come with 2 cam pins or pegs that fit in the holes. It should have slots on both sides of the box that fit your handsaw, and a 45-degree slot for bevel cuts. It's very budget friendly when compared to the power tools. You'll be able to use this tool to do multiple projects at an affordable price. Number 2, it's an easy cutting tool. The miter box comes with everything you need to make basic and angled cuts. With this tool, there's no charging it up or plugging it in, which makes it easy to use. Number 3, the miter box and saw is great for beginner DIY projects. We use the miter box and saw to cut trim molding so that we can make miter joints. This helped us to frame and update our builder grade mirror in the master bathroom. When we were doing our fireplace makeover, we looked for ways to hide this cord. We used the miter box and saw to cut the plastic cord cover into the sizes that we needed. And for us, this tool definitely came in handy. Another project where the miter box and saw came in handy was during our laundry room makeover. We used it to cut quarter round when putting on the final touches of our vinyl plank flooring. Number 4, you can do precise cuts with the miter box and saw. It's a lightweight tool that allows you to cut 45 and 90 degree angles with no problems. This also has a 45-degree cutting area for bevel cuts, just in case you're ready for larger DIY projects like building cabinets. The most common cut is the cross cut, which we call the straight cut. It can make things easier when cutting hard plastic as well as wood. My wife loved the fact that she could use it to frame her dry erase board.
I appreciated the way it guided me to make the right cuts.
Number 5, it's a great space saver. The miter box and saw can fit just about anywhere. Some even have mounting holes on both ends of the box. It can be mounted on your garage wall with your other tools, stored in your toolbox, or inside of a cabinet. We like the miter box because we can have better control of the saw while it's near our fingers, which gives us peace of mind regarding our safety while doing DIY projects. So you see, the miter box is a great tool if you're not ready for the intensity of power tools. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you in the next one. And remember, you can DIY too.